and gas stakeholders converged on the International Conference Center, Abuja, on the 5th to the 8th of July 2021 for the Nigeria Oil and Gas 20th Anniversary Edition, with the theme tagged "Fortifying the Nigerian Oil and Gas Industry for Economic Stability and Growth." The Energy 2021 featured keynote speeches, paper presentations, panel discussions, Q&A, exhibition of oil companies, both IOCs and indigenous companies. The NOG deemed it fit to feature and showcase indigenous oil and gas players and companies in order to promote the local content as preached by the NCDMB, that is the Nigerian Content Development and Monitoring Board, led by the Executive Secretary, Engineer Simbi Wabute. One of the indigenous companies that was present at the NOG 2021 exhibition arena is Calaya Engineering Services Ltd. It is an engineering and oil and gas service provider in Nigeria, Equatorial Guinea, the Congo, and the Sultanate of Oman. Calaya is keen in providing strategic solutions to different problems in the oil and gas industry, using new, innovative, friendly, and result-oriented technology that is cost-effective, reliable, and easy to understand in providing solutions to different problems in the oil and gas industry. We took time out in a chit chat with the chairman of Calaya Engineering Services Ltd to have a better insight into what they do. In case you didn't know, Calaya is a Nigerian content-driven company. Little wonder why it specializes in training and certifications of personnel in non-destructive testing, NDT, using the American Society of Non-Destructive Testing, ASNT standards. The Calaya Engineering Services Ltd could not be ignored but engaged in a chit chat at the exhibition stand as they received visitors and dignitaries. One of the foremost lawmakers in the Senate that promotes legislations that advances the local content strategies to strengthen indigenous companies was also a visitor at the stand. He is Senator Gashambasi, representing the good people of Cross Rivers South Senatorial District on the floor of the red chambers, that is the Senate.
So that's what we are using as well to build the market capacity. So we have a technology which I call it RS Clean. Definitely it's for valve. So what it does definitely is instead of changing valve regularly, continuously, so we use that sealant to use it as a kind of solution to stop leakage, to maintain that valve. Not that it's due to, maybe they said after 2 years they will change it. It's going to cost money, it's going to downtime and the rest of them. But with that technology, that valve can stay in that system for over 20, 30 years.
This is just one of your products?
This is one of the products. This Quantum, which we also do, is a new technology for increased production. Instead of them bringing huge rig to site, they had a special tool. So it goes in, if their production is going down, now increase the production. Once it goes down, it clears the whole stuff, come up with the parameters, also to advise you when to go back to again. Not to probably after 3 months want to go back to the field. No, it will tell you probably next 1 year you have to go back from the information we have gotten. So it's a new technology from Canada, and our people are also being trained for that. Then this stop noise is a fantastic one as well. Like when these certain guys now they're going to build your plant. Because when you go to every plant, it's so nice. People have to start putting earmuff and the rest of them. But this, the amazing technology, is the acoustic noise control. So that once every place has been controlled, most of the pump, the turbine, and the rest of them, the whole place will be as so silent as possible that you can't hear anything. So respect to HSC cost to reduce, respect to health, which is most important thing, our eardrum, you won't hear anything.
All the high decibels.
So it has to be control. So that's what we have been bringing on board to make sure things work. As a local company, yeah, we have a brochure. Yeah, they bring everything, sir. So yes, sir. So that what Glory bring it. We put the brochure and the phone. Yes. So that's what we are doing. Again, we are now. Give my card, Glory. Yeah? So we are now working as well, which after the SCDMB, because as technology, we believe the technology is the future and everything. So we diversify as well to see how we can start also start building, manufacturing our own phone.
Very important.
That's one of the stuff you see the market.
So you're one of the beneficiaries of the local content law.
Right.
So you have to thank us. You have to thank us in the National Assembly.
Seriously, I really appreciate it. Yes, sure.
And the petroleum industry bill.
Fantastic. Yes, I really appreciate it because with that, it's going to really help us. We'll compete with China and the other people. Because I believe what Nigerians can do.
Exactly.
You understand? So once this particular policy,
I always believe that the combination of the PIB and the Nudging Act will revolutionize the way we do business in Nigerian oil&gas space. So I think that it's for people like you to take full advantage of.
Thank you.
We've done our bit.
Thank you.
Yes.
Sure, definitely. We have seen a platform to ride, and definitely, I know the sky is going to be definitely.
My brother, thank you so much.
So PLC actually is going to give the local content a soft landing.
Yes.
Okay, so we can start.
And the inflow.
After the senator's visit, we had our own time with the MD of Calaya, Mr. Tony Oswago.
Calaya Engineering basically is an engineering and service provider. When you call the service provider, it's not to provide, just to give you solution to your system. So that's exactly what Calaya is all about, and that's our mission and what we do. I'm happy that the clients also know about that. Looking at this energy 2021, coming out, we showcase different kind of technology. It's not all conventional we have. We come with a unique technology that precise, they are cost effective. They are technology that can blow up your mind and also help the oil and gas. Now that a lot of them trying to cut down costs, a lot of them want to have precise information about their system. A lot of them wants to have detail how it's supposed to be. And that's why we have to bring technology in every way round, in respect from the downhole production, from the facility maintenance, from anything we need to talk about, from the upstream to the downstream. So this is really that we have a lot of technology that we showcase this period. That's quite amazing. So that I believe all the people who visited our stand, we are all mind blown to see the kind of technology we exhibit this period.
Please tell us the names and tell us, break it down.
Very good. We have RS Clay product. RS Clay product is a unique product for lubricant and sealant that has to do to help the oil and gas, the frequency of having valve problem or whatever, to change valve and the rest of them, to shut down their line for safety reasons. But this RS Clay product is a unique, amazing technology from UK that has to stop all this problem and solve all this problem they want. I think a good number of our clients, Shell, OIL&GAS, OMG, OIL&GAS, can really testify about this product. Then we have Quantum. Quantum is another product. It's a unique product it's a unique technology from Canada. Definitely what this particular one is. When it comes to walkover rig, it costs a lot to bring in walkover rig to come to do your operation, but we don't need it anymore. So you come with Quantum with a special tool that goes down the hole, goes in, open up the whole system, and make sure that you start producing. And the producing increase the production. It comes out as well, come out with a parameter to predict to you on your reservoir what's the information you get to know about your reservoir. Not to constantly probably predict, want to go and log in or want to do slick line. There's a lot of cost on that. But now, for you to go for that, you need to be precise to say, this is the time this predict to me to go back to go and check the reservoir. That is technology for Quantum. We have Novamate. Novamate is also amazing technology from Italy. It have a special ESP well. What's the ESP well? They always put it down there on the downhole to increase the pressure when probably some of them that produce have thick oil but it has low production coming out. With the ESP well, it's going to help them. But the commercial ESP wells, they have this tower around, goes powered by electricity. So, but this don't need to power it by electricity. Once you install through a solar system, and you have a battery that's going to store for the past 3, 4, 5, 6 days. You have to start working 24 hours. Once it goes down, it picks up again. So that's one of the cost-effective. So no need for you to definitely to kind of electrify the whole system or trying to get people to be monitoring it. The monitor is done from their control room and everything. So that's the unique about the Novamate. We have another technology called Stop Noise. Stop Noise is a unique acoustic noise control technology. Looking at in the industry, one of the criteria once you get to any plant, there's a lot of noise. That's why the HSC department always insists before you get into any plant, you have to put on your ear muffler to make sure that the sound did not affect your eardrum. But now, this acoustic technology, no matter what happens, we go into the plant, we take the dimension, do the design, do the fabrication in country, and install it. The essence of this is going to be every plant as silent as a graveyard. That means if any drop of pin drops on ground, you're going to hear it. You don't need to go with all this earmuff anymore. So the most important thing that you go freely, go and do whatever you want to do. So finally, we have what we call 59X. 59X is a new technology, probably nobody have seen it within the country. It's just your normal light clean bulb you have seen. Because of this COVID-19, people have to go into research to see how the best way we're going to do that. They come up with say, because you find out anywhere you need to sanitize yourself, you need to do a lot of things. But these have to come through light that you don't need chemical to sanitize whatever. This particular light is normally your LED light that comes in. You have a sensor that once you're in, it shows you the light. Once you're off, you have to filter the whole place and make sure everywhere is okay. Automatically, you have a sensor that will dictate all whatever have been cleared off and the place is safe and from any germ, for any virus, for whatever. So that's some of the technologies we have already showcased this time around. So thank you.